Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
78 degrees, our air temperature, dew point value very warm at 76. See, that's the thing. Here on the Sun Coast, we get a kind of a moderating influence on our daytime high temperature because of our sea breezes. So that's nice. I mean, our temperature yesterday was 90. Many other places in Florida got mid 90s. But we pay for that onshore wind flow with the dew point values and the humidity. So it gets warm and sticky in the afternoons, but at least we're not sweltering hot like some places are. As we head into the afternoon, we may even see a few showers around, but they will be kind of few and far between after a day that progresses with mostly sunny skies. Clouds will start to build in inland areas, and then we'll work in that 30% chance of rainfall that carries us into the evening hours as well. The storms build mostly in Hardee and DeSoto. That's where the heaviest of the rain will be, but then some of the storms may kind of work their way back to the coastline as we head into the evening hours. Currently, we've got one lone shower close to coast down to the south of us, but other than that, everything's quiet. Big ridge of high pressure brings us this easterly wind flow today. Little trough of low pressure over the Carolinas kind of washes away, but still provides perhaps a scattered shower or two there over rivers that are probably going to crest either today or later tonight. We'll look for this easterly wind flow to continue for the next several days, bringing those showers along the spine of the state and forcing them closer to the coastline with time. So light southeast winds, and because they're light, some of the motion of the storms this afternoon might be a bit erratic. A few afternoon storms put the rain chance at 30%, and then humid all week long. Taking a look at the tropics, everything is quiet. The near Atlantic, Caribbean, great week to go on a Caribbean cruise if you're going. Should be no problems there. Gulf waters, near Atlantic. The closest place is out in the central Atlantic. There's a disturbance that has only a 20% chance of development over 5 days just because of its proximity to land, because of upper level shear, because of dry air in the atmosphere. All of the tropics are pretty quiet right now. Northwest wind comes in at about 10 knots, turns more northerly and then northeasterly overnight, 2-foot seas with a light chop. And your forecast looks like this. We'll have a daytime high that tops out around 91 today, 30% rain chance. Next several days feature pretty much the same situation as we head into the first weekend of fall. Yes, fall. It won't feel much like fall. Temperatures will be in the 90s right straight into the beginning of next work week. And rain chances by the weekend will be going up.